Hi everyone, this is Manish from indushindi.com. In this video, we are going to talk about to be verbs, right? To be in Hindi is Hona. Hona. So, to understand this thing better, we are going to learn more, right? So, let's begin. In Hindi, like English, we have three forms of to be verbs, right? First is like whom, hai, and hai. Whom, hai, and hai. Like for example, I can say, if I say मैं कौन हूँ, who am I? मैं कौन हूँ? Who am I? I don't know who am I. मैं कौन हूँ? Right, the first example. The second one is यह कौन है? यह कौन है? Who is she? Where you can say who is he, she, it is all same, right? Yeah in Hindi. And third one is hai. Hai is not hai, it is different from hai. Like there is a nasal sound at the end, like half nasal. Hai, hai. Aap kaun hai? Who are you? Aap kaun hai? Who are you? And there is one exception actually in Hindi, if you know, like there is three forms of you, right? One is honorific form called formal form of you. Second one is like familiar or kind of friendly form, and third one is like intimate or informal form. So there is three forms like tu, which is you, is tu, tum, and aap. There are three forms: tu, tum, and aap. Aap kaun hai? Who are you? Right? And if I want to say tum kaun, then I will use ho, right? This one is something different, which is out from the three, which only use with tum, right? Tum kaun ho? Who are you in English? Who are you? So it's the same sentence. Who are you in Hindi? We can translate in three ways. आप कौन हैं? तुम कौन हो? And तू कौन है? Who are you? Right? All three are who are you. I hope this thing is clear. If you want to learn more, please subscribe my channel to get notification when I upload new videos. Goodbye.